I'm just a singer in a rock and roll band, hoping nobody sees me in town. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is JB. JB is going to clean his car today. Well, shall we place the camera? Very poor lighting here in the garage, so let's see where I'm going to set the camera down. Maybe over here. A quick video. Interesting. Yeah, dark as usual. What can I say? This is not gonna come out very well. Let's try that. Little washing video today. I already have my soap and water mixed in spray bottle here, so it's like warm water as well, so we'll see that works out. Usually you should start from the top, baby. Usually it's best to start from the roof of the car, but want to start with the wheels, that's perfectly alright. Well, I know it's going to take a while to get this done with the spray bottle, so bear with me here. I'm probably most likely gonna accelerate the video. I just don't want to use the hose today, you know. I don't feel like spritzing it with the hose, so I'm going to just spritz off the car with my spray bottle here. I don't know if you can see that because the garage is so dark. Clean the wheels and the tires as well. Like I said, you can always start this process by cleaning off the rims first and then the car itself. But when you start to clean, you start to wash the car, ideally it's best to start from the top, from the roof to the bottom, from top to bottom. So My hand's beginning to get really tired right now. I'm just a singer in a rock and roll band. I'm just a singer in a rock and roll band. I don't know the words to this song. It's too dark here for you to see anything. So I'm probably most likely going to edit this out again. You can't see what you can't see. You cannot see what you cannot see. I'm sorry. That's already done, as you can tell. Maybe I'll just wash the other side of the car, the right side, since the light, most of the light is there. I'll leave the left side completely dirty because I can't actually film the left side because I have no extra lights on me. I used to live in a house. Now I no longer do, as you can tell. Man, there are a lot of cars coming in and out at this time. I'm pretty surprised. It's another problem I have with this place, you know. It's like I don't have space, time, room to wash my car properly. It's people coming in and out. If I go to the the car wash the car wash area, I can't afford much time there because people always coming in and out. So that's a pain in the ass. I have to back up the car as well because I can't reach every single spot, every area, so I have to turn the car on and put the car in reverse, back it up a bit in order to get the job done properly. Get the job run. See a car? What? Car just went out. So how many cars? 2, 3, 4 cars already went by. I've been here for what, not even 10 minutes. So it's quite a challenge. I'm just gonna wipe this down. I'm gonna fill this up with water again and spritz it again, and then I'll use my microfiber towels to take off the excess and then to dry the car off completely. And then I'll have a semi-clean car, you know, so go from there. So yeah, it's ending right now, as you can tell. There's not much light in here, can't see much in the video. So the life of a what am I? The life of a dark garage dweller, the life of a dweller in a garage, the life of a dark dwelling garage. No, that's not right. A car that lives in a dark lit, poorly lit garage. For making YouTube videos, that is. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That's as far as I'm gonna go with this video. It'll be too long and it'll get boring for you. Thank you for watching my Sunday video. My Sunday car wash video on YouTube. I would say that I'm making this video because I pretty much don't have a whole lot to do at this present juncture. Don't have a whole lot to do at this present point. My car is not really all that dirty anyways, so I just decided to give it a spritz. So I'll have the cleanest car in this garage, that's for sure. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have yourself a fantastic Sunday. Take care. Bye bye. Move closer to the light.